Realme 14X 5G is India's first phone with IP69 rated dust and water resistance. Realme 14X 5G price in India starts at 14,999 rupees. Realme 14X will launch in India December 18th. Realme 14X come in crystal black, golden glow, and jewel red color options. Realme 14X 5G will sport a 6.67-inch HD plus IPS LCD display. Realme 14X powered by Dimensity 6300 chipset with up to 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. The Realme 14X 5G will offer a vertically shaped camera setup with triple rear cameras. Realme 14X has a 50MP rear camera, 8MP front camera. Most notable upgrades on the Realme 14X 5G is its 6000 mAh battery. The volume and power keys are placed on the right edge of the Realme 14X 5G, while a USB Type-C port can be seen at the bottom edge. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.